Welcome to our SmartWitness Tech Talk, Video Beyond, how SmartAnalytics can transform your business. During today's session, we will discuss how video telematics solutions paired with artificial intelligence can lead to better insights and actionable data. So what exactly is SmartAnalytics? SmartAnalytics is a software upgrade to any SmartWitness video telematics solution. It encompasses broader sources of data to profoundly simplify fleet management and dramatically lower risk levels. With the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, large amounts of data can be processed and contextualized in order to create a better understanding of driver behavior in your fleet. Part of what makes this valuable for fleet organizations is that false incident reports can become overwhelming due to the amount of irrelevant information being fed into a video telematics system. If you've ever used video telematics, think of how many times you've received a video that was not a true safety critical incident. SmartAnalytics effectively reduces these false positives so that only meaningful events are presented to fleet managers. Additionally, with conventional telematics systems, it takes a significant amount of time and energy to identify at-risk drivers. SmartAnalytics uses the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to improve filtering, analysis, and better predict potential risk using data from multiple sources. Due to the use of this technology, the delivery of actionable insights is near real time. Fleet managers are currently facing a significant data overload. From compliance and regulatory to business intelligence software, there is simply too much data to be processed by organizations, both big and small. SmartAnalytics channels all the relevant safety data through AI filtering to reduce the noise that distracts fleet managers and then packages it into a format that is easily understood. This takes away the need for costly data mining exercises that require high levels of expertise. Another major issue is data fragmentation. Due to many different and disparate systems, it is difficult for individuals to compile relevant data for a true assessment of safety-critical incidents and proper prioritization. SmartAnalytics compiles data from multiple sources, including your core video telematics system, to provide context and priority for your most at-risk drivers. This eliminates the time-consuming nature of merging data manually in spreadsheets and reports followed by deeper analysis. The third major problem is a lack of time and resources. Most fleet organizations have individuals that are filling multiple roles. Adding a risk management or safety initiative is simply unrealistic given the constraints of time, money, and personnel. Because SmartAnalytics is able to provide near real-time insights, the amount of time it takes to process and understand data is nearly eliminated. Additionally, the artificial intelligence engine is able to draw attention to the most at-risk drivers to get ahead of potential safety-critical incidents. Most video telematics systems leverage two standard data sources to create events and score drivers. G-sensors detect vehicle dynamics, while GPS provides locational and speed data. Although these are two highly critical data sources to understand risk, they leave out significant details that prevent fleet owners from taking appropriate action. Additional data that is needed to appropriately define risk factors include traffic conditions, weather, and road types. These three data sources provide significant variables in how events should be categorized and can completely change the characteristics of safety-critical events. Imagine a driver triggers a harsh acceleration event that triggers negative feedback for their behavior. In the case that this event was triggered upon entering a fast-paced roadway, this behavior should actually be considered safe as a necessary maneuver to enter the flow of traffic. This is the value of contextual data sources. SmartAnalytics brings all of this together, all in one place, without the need of multiple systems and without the need of human interaction. Looking at standard analytics, the funnel begins with two key data sources, G-sensor and GPS. These sensors are built into a tracking or video telematics device located in a vehicle. Whilst in operation, the device is scanning for exceptional cases to pre-built thresholds or rules to determine potential events. These include harsh braking, accelerating, or turning events. Once the device has identified these potential events, they are reported to a fleet manager. From there, a human must go through and manually view and scrub these events to determine whether they were truly safety critical or simply a false positive. Depending on the size of the organisation and the accuracy of calibration, this becomes a very time-consuming activity. After the events have been scrubbed, the fleet manager must then compare their data against other sources to determine relevancy. Included in this comparison are time cards, traffic information, GPS systems, among others. And finally, once all of this human review has been done, organisations have general insights into fleet performance. From there, action can be taken to improve driver performance and overall business operations. In comparison, SmartAnalytics starts with more than just the standard data sets. On top of G-sensor and GPS data, the artificial intelligence platform pulls in traffic information, weather conditions, and road types. Similar to the standard analysis funnel, the initial point of analysis begins with device-based information. From there, the artificial intelligence filter kicks in and eliminates any false positives using algorithm formulas and data. By contextualizing the independent vehicle data with information from other sources, false positives are eliminated and true events are identified. As more data is input into the system, the machine learning filter begins to identify trends and patterns in your drivers and overall fleet performance. By understanding the 5 different sources of data and constantly comparing to historical information, the identification of events becomes even more accurate, and predictive risk modelling assigns priority around the most at-risk drivers. By using artificial intelligence and machine learning, contextualized reports are then generated which are focused, unified, and meaningful. Trends are identified and predictions are made which will take the guesswork and manual labour out of building a safer fleet organisation. The point of delivery then becomes the first stage at which a fleet manager becomes involved. At this point in the funnel, they are receiving relevant, actionable insights that can be then used to help train drivers and identify risk factors in the business. And because this is all done using artificial intelligence that is completely objective, the results are consistent every time and delivered instantly. The whole point of the advanced funnel is to turn relevant, actionable data into a return on investment. With relevant, actionable data, you can predict and modify at-risk driver behaviour proactively before events occur. Your teams will spend less time and resources in incident review, leading to more efficient and effective training. You'll be able to incentivise and retain drivers for good behaviour. And most importantly, you will lower the risk to your business and minimise claims overall. SmartWitness wants to help you with smart and simple solutions to gain control of the unpredictable. SmartAnalytics provides you with the power of AI and the tools to do it, and most importantly, transform your business. To learn more about how SmartAnalytics can help your business, please visit our virtual booth, email us, or make a request to your current GPS provider. We appreciate your time and look forward to speaking with you.